what's going on? Tsai here. So in this video, I want to talk about a really common mistake people are making when they are doing network marketing, right? So before we address that, you want to ask yourself, what's your real product? What are you actually selling? Because some people will think that, oh, their product is the company's product, right? Or they're selling the business opportunity. No, neither of them are the answer, and I will let you know why, right? So before I talk about that, I want to tell you a story of mine. So I remember a few years ago, I was an Amazon seller. And when I first get started, I have no idea about how you can sell like on Amazon. So all I did is I went to the marketplace and I checked the best seller and said, yeah, there's one product which was selling really well. It's called resistant band. So I just sourced the same product from China. So with the same color, with the same package, because my idea was, yeah, there are many people are making money from that product. So there's no reason for me to not making money from, right? So, but guess what? Yeah, I was struggled to make a single sale. So I was like, what happened? So I decided to go to the marketplace to check out why. Then I realized why, because there are lots of competitors are selling the same thing and they're selling the same colors, they're selling the same packages. So the only way for me to win the game was lowering my price. But actually, when you lower the price, your competitors will do the same thing as well. So that's a problem that people are making when they are doing network marketing as well. Is they try to sell the same thing. But you say, yeah, but when doing network marketing, it's always the same thing. There's no other things we can sell. No, actually there's something you can sell. That is, you want to put together your own bonus packages, right? So if you're selling the product, you can offer some bonus packages, right? For example, you can offer some training. For example, if you are selling maybe supplement, right? You can say, hey, we offer some trainings about how to use them, how to make the most of them. So that you can provide some bonus package for your product. Or if you're selling the opportunity or the business opportunity, what you can sell is you can sell becoming your team member. You can sell them the benefit of becoming your downline. So you want to make becoming your downline more appealing, more beneficial than becoming other people's downline. So there are many things you can do. The first way is you can say, hey, if you become my downline, I will offer you coaching call or training, right? So you can offer a free coaching call or training as the benefit of becoming your downline, right? The second part, you can offer like, hey, I can offer you some down for you packages, so you don't have to do all the things yourself. All you need to do is become my downline. Then you get all the down for you packages. You don't have to create the website yourself. You don't have to write a copy yourself. I will do everything for you. All you need to do is import those things into your account, right? The third one is you can offer some support. Right, so you can say, hey, if you join my downline, you get this kind of support, right? So you can sell the benefit of becoming your downline, and also you can put together a members area, right? You can say, hey, if you join, you can get access to all the training in the members area. So that's the 4 different ways you can do to make becoming your downline more appealing. So what you're actually selling is not the product. It's your bonus. It's also your becoming the benefit of becoming your team member, right? So that's a key here. So if you follow this rule, it doesn't matter what company you choose. The only criteria for you to choose a company is if they are internet marketing friendly, because there are some companies, they hate internet marketing, which means if you try to do like SEO or try to do funnel building, they will kick you out. And those are the companies that you want to stay away from. But the only criteria is that. But other than that, it's you can choose anything and you can still make money from that, because you are not selling the company, you are selling your bonus package. So that's the key for today. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.